Peaches and cream Penelope. First Blinky of the day. Things about to get serious. She better be scrum-diddly-umptious. Cannot believe I haven't gardened all morning. Oh, get out of that. Yo plays with the peaches and cream. That's what this smells like. Me before the ghost Blinky. Me after the ghost Blinky. Okay. Looking back at myself before and after. Whoa! It's not cold today, and I'm wearing a sweater. I am so sweaty. Is it bad? Definitely have another Blinky right now. One of my favorite things to do is message you guys back. Love having conversations with you guys. Y'all are my favorite. Girl, open your eyes. Why do I feel like I can't smile and open my eyes? Uh-oh. And my gardening tolerance is like, oh, it's a good thing and a bad thing. I'm about to be zooted all day. When I tell you, I'm literally, this is